Hey there, I'm Mac, the proprietor of Mac's Flooring Company, and I care a lot. Oh, and this is Odin. He also works here now.
Hi.
Okay, enough out of you. My wife says sometimes I just care too much. I have these sleepless nights where I wonder, did the boys put primer under that leveling compound that we did yesterday? Odin, what are you doing? You're supposed to be in the back getting everything organized. We got people here, we're supposed to be shooting a commercial. Come on, son, I told you. You see these? They're good floors. They're solid floors. I've installed them myself. These are floors I would trust. This bothers me. You know, flooring is forever, or at least it should be. When you come and see Mac, I'm not gonna sell you the trendiest floor or the one your cousin Gary saw on the Home and Garden Network. I'm gonna sell you the right floor.
Hello, I am a professional in town, and I am in need of professional flooring services.
Well, you come to the right place, Mac's Flooring Company.
Is this good laminate flooring here?
Well, good for what? I mean, do you have kids? Do you have pets? Do you need it to be waterproof or water resistant? Because if you don't know, I'll find out.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so there's a couple different modes. You know, you gotta use it slow first. So we're in the back warehouse here, and basically what Odin's job is around here is...
Baby, doing that?
What are you doing? I friggin' told you this is, you do that in the back alley like I told you. Listen, I'm really sorry about that. You know, it's really hard to get good help nowadays with these young folks. Mac's Flooring Company. You know what they say, once you go Mac, you don't go back.
No, we're not gonna.
Well, I thought it was catchy. So no slogan then, eh? Oh, okay. Hey, Mac knows floors, Mac's seen things. You better call Mac before regret begins. There's your slogan.